Need your video title and description in another language? Braiv AI makes it easy. Here's how to do it. First, choose the video you want to translate. Next, go to the Details tab on the upper left corner. Just an important note, if the description area is blank, translation won't work. There has to be a generated source language before translating. So let's say, for example, you already generated a description using the source language, which is English. It is also important to know that language available on the drop-down list depends on which languages your video has already been translated into. Now, look for your target language from the drop-down. As you can see, I have 5 more available languages to choose, as I already translated this video into those languages. For this demo, I am going to choose German. Now click the Translate button, and Braiv will automatically translate your title and description into the selected language. As you can see, the title has been translated into German, as well as the description. Even the hashtags has been translated. When the translation is complete, hit Save to confirm the changes. And that's how easy it is to translate your video title and description in Braiv.